Hi, hello and namaskaram. Welcome to Fine Dining Indian and hi from Bobby. So in this video we will be showing you how to make a kulfi, an easy recipe. This is not the traditional way, it's an inspired way. What we have at the fridge, how we can turn into kulfi. So I'm just using some condensed milk, that's a sweetened milk, some cream cheese. I can turn that into a kulfi. So if you want to use a rabdi, you can reduce the milk and make it in a traditional way. Again, if you use a condensed milk, you use a cream, the Nestle one, the tin one, not patronizing the brand, but it's a good option. Cream cheese I'm just mixing with condensed milk here, and then set it. I'm just adding some cardamom sugar, that is powdered with sugar and then cardamom. It's like 10 part of sugar and 1 part of cardamom. You can make into powder and then keep it, use it when you want it. This is set, and it's served along with some grated dark chocolate, then some fried phyllo pastries, or you can use any spring roll sheets if you have, thinly shredded, crispy fry, dust it with some sugar, the cardamom sugar, and then serve it. It's an amazing combo. You will enjoy it. There's an easy way to make a kulfi at home. I got some cream cheese left, just put it in. Milk made, or the condensed milk, cardamom sugar. Using a whisk, mix it. So now you can see it form a nice emulsion, a good shine. Now we can freeze. So I'm just using plastic container, or if you have a silicone mold, you can put it. So just place it in. There's an easy way to make a malai kulfi. Malai kulfi is mainly, traditionally you make it with rabdi, a nice creamy malai. You can add khoya to it, but if at home you make it, there's an easy way. Make it with a nice cream cheese. It's ready to go. Set it in the freezer. For demolding, you can use a bit of hot water, just dip it in, then just turn it. I can just cut into shape what I want. I just cut a wedge out of this. So I'm just placing into a bowl plate the fried phyllo pastries. Now some cardamom sugar, grated chocolate, that's a dark chocolate, just grated on the top. So now we can taste it. Kulfi, it's really soft. Chocolate and the phyllo sheets. Nice texture, creaminess from the kulfi and the cream cheese. It's beautiful. So you enjoy cooking along with me. The kulfi, once it's set and you eat it, it's soft and it stays like that because of the cheese. The cream cheese, it's amazing. You can use any kind of cream cheese. If you want, you can use low-fat cheese as well. Nice combo. The crunchiness from the phyllo pastry, the fried one, the dark chocolate enhances the whole mouth feel. It's an amazing one. You can use some caramelized nuts to enhance the dish. It's up to you. This is only an idea. You can develop further. It's an easy one-time dish you can make at home. Thank you. Subscribe to us, click the bell icon, and watch our other videos.